Hey guys, welcome back. I just want to quickly go through how to lend on the exchange Polynex. It's pretty easy. The reason we do it over here is because of the simplicity. There's no bells, no whistles, no anything tough. It's real easy. So all you need to do, send your money from Binance or Winfax or whoever you got your Bitcoin with or crypto with at the moment. Send it straight over to Polynex. You don't need any KYC. Simple as the setup. And then all you do is you go into your wallet, and no, my luck, it's going to be a little bit slow loading up. There we go. So as you can see, I've got that amount of money in there at the moment. It's doing that. And to do the lending thing, all you need to do is go over to lending at the top, second one in from Explore. Just do a quick transfer. So the amount, you're doing it in USDT, or you're doing in any one of these things, no problems. And then you're going from exchange to lending, and then you're transferring, and then you're good to go. So once you've got it in there, you'll see it'll be available. All you do is you just go into the rates, and say you've got $100 or $200, you've got to do it in increments of $50, as you can see. So just starting from the top, you'd put the rate in, put the amount of $50 in, duration of 2 days, and then you can auto renew it as well. So if you just want to use this like I am as a residual compounding effect, then yeah, just auto renew, offer the loan, it'll come up down here as offer loans. And once it gets picked up and your money is being lended out, then it'll be popping up just along here, and it'll just keep on going. Once the 2 days is expired, it'll again auto renew, go straight back into here for the same percentage over here. And this is the fees, or this is the amount of money that you earn from lending out your money. So it's not much. It's only 10, 15, 20 cents at a time, but the compounding effect from that, rolling over day in, day out, all adds up. Your goal is to get to about $12 to $15 an hour, 24 hours a day. And once you've received that, that's $120,000 a year. So hopefully that helps. Have a great day. If you've got any questions, please comment below. Not financial advice, not anything but just some knowledge and some power for you. And I hope you have a great day. See you guys.